Stop wasting time, constantly re-entering your search criteria in Propstream. This video will show you exactly how to pull up any saved search list you've previously created, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date property data at your fingertips first. You'll need to log into your Propstream account and navigate to the main dashboard once you're there. Locate the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see an option clearly labeled Saved Searches. Please click on this. Now you're on your Saved Searches page here. You'll find a list of all the different property searches you've saved in the past. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the specific search you want to work with today. To the right of each saved search name, you'll see a button. It might say View, Run, or something similar. Click that button next to the search you've chosen. Excellent. Propstream will now instantly pull up the results based on your saved criteria, but remember, the market is always changing. So it's crucial to refresh these results. Look for a button prominently displayed on this results page, usually near the top, that says Refresh Results or Update Data. Click this to ensure you're seeing the absolute latest property information available. With your refreshed list ready, the final step is to export it. You'll typically find an export option, often presented as a button or a drop-down menu. Somewhere on this results page it might say Export, Download, or have an icon representing a download. Click this option. You'll then likely be presented with different export formats, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs for marketing analysis or lead generation, and click to download your up-to-date property list.